Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do identities exercise 12A. Page number 158, question 6 evaluate. First one is 6 minus xy into 6 plus xy. Now we have learned that to find the product of certain expressions, we can use the direct method, especially when the terms are the same. Can you see 6 xy? The terms are the same. One is the difference and the other is the sum. So when you have to find the product of the sum and difference of terms like this, we use the direct method. So in that case, the first term will be A and the second term will be B. So this will be A is 6 and B is xy. Now we can apply the formula which says if you're finding the sum and the product of these terms, the answer is simply A square minus B square. So we can multiply these binomials in the long way also. But when you do it this way, it's easier. So here all we have to do is take A, which is 6, write the square of that, minus what is b, x, y, find the square of this, instead of doing it the long way. So 6 square is 6 into 6 is 36 minus x square y square. That's it. So we have found our answer. So you don't have to do it the long way to get your answer. Next one. Now here also you can see this is addition and subtraction, the sum and the difference of the same terms, and we're finding the product of those two. So we can again apply the formula. So this will be A and this will be B. So what is A? A is 7x and B is 2 by 3y. Now let's apply the formula. According to the formula, A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B into A minus B. All you have to do is A square minus B square. So what is A here? 7x. Now the square of this minus what is B? B is 2 by 3y. So we find the square of this. So 7x square means 7 square. 7 into 7 is 49. X into x is x square minus 2 by 3 square, that is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So we get 4 by 9 y square. Okay, so this is our answer, 49x square minus 4 by 9 y square. Question 3. Here also we have A plus B, A minus B format. So we can again apply the formula. So this is A and this is B. So let's write that A is A by 2B and B is 2B by A. Now we're going to apply this formula. So according to this, A square minus B square is your answer. And what is A? A by 2B. A is given here. A is A by 2B, which we have written here, and the square of that. So we put this in brackets and we write square of this. Minus B square. And what is B? 2B by A. So that is 2B by A and the square of this also. So now the square of this means A square. Now 2B square. 2B square means 2B into 2B. 2 into 2 is 4. B into B is B square. So the denominator is 4B square. Minus, again here we have 2B square, which we found out to be 4B square. So this is 4B square. In the denominator, A square is A into A, which is A to the power of 2. So this is our answer here. A square by 4B minus 4B square by A square. A square by 4B square. Okay, so this is our final answer. Question 4. Again, we have this in the format of A minus B, A plus B. So this is A, this is B. So let's write that A is 3x and B is 1 by 2y. So now we can again apply the formula. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. And A is 3x. So A square means 3x square minus B square. B is 1 by 2y. So this square of this. So now 3x square means 3x into 3x. 3 3s are 9, x into x is x square. This is 9x square minus 1 by 2y square. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So let's multiply only 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4 and y into y is y square. So this is our answer, 9x square minus 1 by 4 y square. Next one, now here we have three binomials here, multiplication of three binomials. So let's take the first two binomials and they are in the format of a plus b and a minus b. So for this we can apply the formula first and then get the answer and then apply the formula for this. So here a is 2a and b is 3. So let's write that a is 2a and b is 3. So now the formula is a plus b into a minus b is a square. And what is a? A is 2a square minus b. What is b? B is 3 square. Now 2a square means 2a into 2a. 2 2's are 4a into a is a square. So this is 4a square minus 3 3's are 9. So first part we got 4a square minus 9. So we finished multiplying the first two binomials and we got this answer. Now with this answer we're going to multiply the next binomial. So let's write that question here. So the answer that we got after multiplying the first two binomials is 4a square minus 9. Let's put this into brackets. Now we're going to multiply with the next third binomial, which is 4a square plus 9. So here again, can you see that the first term is the same, second term is the same. Here it's a difference and here it is the sum. That means again we can apply the formula. So this will be a and this will be b this time. So a is equal to 4a square and b is equal to 9. Now the formula is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So a square is 4a square. This is a. Now the square of this minus b, and what is b? B is 9 and the square of this. So now 4a square means 4 into 4, that is 16. 4 4s are 16. Then we have a square into a square, which is a to the power of 2 plus 2, which is 4, a to the power of 4, minus 9 square is 9 into 9, which is 81. So our answer here, final answer here is 16a to the power of 4 minus 81. Question 6. Here also we have three binomials to be multiplied. So first, let's take the first two binomials. As you can see again, this is in the format of a plus b into a minus b. So we'll take this as a and this as b. So the first term is a, that is a itself and b is bc. Now let's apply the formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. And a square, put a square minus b and b is bc. bc the whole square. So a square will remain as a square. Now here this becomes minus b square c square. So we multiplied the first two here, the first two binomials, and we got this. Now we are going to multiply this and the next binomial. So let's write this question here. So this becomes a square minus b square c square. Okay, and the other one that is here is a square plus b square c square. So can you see, children, again here it is in the format of a minus b, a plus b. You get the same formula, a square minus b square. So here what is a? A is the first term here, which is a square. So let's write a square. And what is b? B is the second term, which is b square c square. So let's write that b square c square. Now let's apply the formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So we're going to write this one. We're going to write a square minus b square. So a square, what is a? A is already a square. A is a square. So I'm going to write a square in the place of a first. A square. Now the square of this becomes a square minus, now we have b square, and what is b? B is this. B square c square is simply b. So let's write that b square c square, that is b, and here we have to find the square of it, square of this. So we are putting them in brackets and the square. So now let's see. So we know the property where you have one power raised to another power, you can multiply the powers. So 2 into 2 is 4. So this becomes a to the power of 4 minus, similarly here also, b to the power of 2 into 2. So it becomes b to the power of 4. Again with c, we have c to the power of 2 into 2 becomes c to the power of 4. So our final answer here is a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 c to the power of 4. Question 7 is expand, and the first one under that is a plus 1 by 2a the whole square. Now expand means we multiply this 2 times, isn't it? And then we get two binomials. Now if we have to do it the normal way, we will get a plus 1 by 2a. This is one binomial, and then we have another binomial here, a plus 1 by 2a. This is the meaning of this question, isn't it? That is, when I say a plus 1 by 2a the whole square, that means I multiply this twice, and then again I multiply these two, and then I multiply this. This is a normal way of doing it. Instead, we can again use a formula to make this working simpler, to make this expansion simpler. So how do we do that? For that, the first term you're going to take it as a, and the second term you're going to take it as b. That means a is equal to a itself because a is the first term, and b is equal to the second term, which is 1 by 2a. Now we're going to apply the formula. Now this is the formula. A plus b the whole square. This is also a plus b the whole square in the same format. So in that case, it becomes a squared. So what is a here? This is a. Okay, so let me write that. So that is a. In the place of a, I'm putting what a is. So here it's again a square plus, or next is b square. And what is b? B is 1 by 2a. This whole thing is b. Okay, we've written here b is equal to 1 by 2a. So in the place of b square, I'm going to write 1 by 2a the whole square plus 2ab means 2 into a into b. And what is a? A is a itself. So let's write a into, what is b? B is 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2a. So what have we done? We have expanded this. Now we're going to work this out and get our final answer. So this will be a square is a square itself plus, now when we write the square of this, it will be 1 by 2a into 1 by 2a. So let's write that. So how do we do it? 1 by 2a into 1 by 2a. 1 into 1 is 1. In the denominator, 2 2's are 4. A into a is a square. So we get 1 by 4a square, which we can write here. So it becomes 1 by 4a square. Now let's go to this part. 2 into a into 1 by 2a. Now look at that. I can cancel 2 and 2. Okay, so I can cancel because it's here on top. This is the numerator. So numerator and denominator I can cancel. Similarly here, a and a I can cancel. So what is left finally here? We have only 1 by 1, which is 1. So plus 1. So this is our final answer. A square plus 1 by 4a square plus 1. Question 2. Here also take this as a and take this as b and work out. So here we have a is 2a and b is 1 by a. Now let's use the formula. The formula here is, this time because it is subtraction, a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So let's substitute for a. A, as we can see, is 2a here. 2a. So let's write here a square is 2a the whole square. So 2a the whole square, this will be a square plus b square. And what is b here? 1 by a. So let's write 1 by a, and the square of this will make it b square minus 2ab, that is 2 into a. And what is a? 2a into b. What is b? 1 by a. Now let's simplify this. So 2a square means 2a into 2a. 2 into 2 is 4. A into a is a square. So this is 4a square plus 1 by a square means 1 by a into 1 by a. 1 into 1 is 1. A into A is A square plus 1 by A square. Now let's go to the last part. 2 into 2A into 1 by A. Now we can cancel the A because 1 is in the numerator, 1 is in the denominator. So cancel the A's. Now what is left? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 1 is still 4. So minus 4. So this is our answer. 4A square plus 1 by A square minus 4. Question 7, third one, A plus B minus C the whole square. So here this is A and this is B and this is C. So it's all the same thing, isn't it? So now we have to apply this formula. This is the formula to find A plus B minus C the whole square. So here what do we have? In the place of A, we have A itself. In the place of B, B. In the place of C, C itself. Now here we have 2AB. So let's multiply 2 into AB is 2AB. Minus, now multiply this 2 into BC. 2 into BC is 2BC. Now multiply 2 into CA, which is 2CA. So by this we open the brackets. Now here there are no common terms that we can add or subtract. So this will be our final answer. Question 4. Expand A minus B plus C the whole square. So A is A itself. Now B, we're going to take it as minus B. So that's minus B plus C. C is equal to C. Okay, so here this is C and C is the same as C. So we have A, we have B, we have C. Now we're going to use the formula A plus B plus C the whole square. So how do we find this out? We find this out with the help of this formula given here. So let's write that. So A plus B plus C the whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. So let's do this. Now A square, what is A? We have found A to be A itself. So in place of A, we write the same thing. A square plus, now we have B square. And what is B? B is minus B. So let's write that. So that's minus B the whole square plus, now here we have C square, and what is C? It's C only. So let's write C square. Now let's go to the next one. 2 into, now A, B means A into B. And A is A itself and B is minus B. So we have to write that carefully. So that will be A into minus B plus, so this is the first part. A into minus B is the first part. Then BC. B is minus B. So minus B into C. So that will be minus B into C. So this is the first part. We'll make this the second part. And then the last part is CA. CA is given here plus CA. So let's write that plus. And C is C itself. A is A. So now let's remove the brackets wherever we can. So this is A square. Now here we have minus B square. Minus into minus is positive. The square of every number is a positive integer. So this is plus B. Okay. So B square, B into B is B square. Minus into minus is plus. Then we have C square. Now here, before we open the brackets, let's work out what is inside. A into minus B is minus AB. Then here we have minus B into C is minus BC. And here we have CA. So all this has to be multiplied by 2. All this has to be multiplied by 2. Keep that in mind. So now here let's do it. A square plus B square plus C square. Now we're going to multiply 2 with the first one. That is 2AB. That is a minus sign. So it's minus 2AB. Then we multiply 2 into the next one minus BC. So the sign is minus. 2 into BC is 2BC. Then we multiply 2 into the third one, which is CA, and that is a plus sign. So that is plus 2CA. So our final answer, A square plus B square plus C square minus 2AB minus 2BC plus 2CA. So what did we do here? Now we took A as the same integer. The same term here, b, we took it as minus b, this whole thing, and c, we took it as c, and then we applied this formula. Here it is a minus b plus c, isn't it? But see the formula that we have used? We changed it to a plus b plus c, okay, because we have made b minus b. And then we can apply that same formula of a plus b plus c the whole square. The fifth one. So here we have only two terms. So this can be taken as a and this can be taken as b. So this will be a plus b the whole square. So remember the formula to apply for this. So 3x is a. So let's say a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 1 by 3x. Now we can apply the formula. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a? A is 3x and the whole square of this plus b. What is b? 1 by 3x. And b square will be the square of this. So we got a square plus b square. Now we continue plus 2ab. So let's write plus 2 into a. And how much is a? 3x into b. And how much is b? 1 by 3x. So let's work this out. So first is 3x the whole square. That means 3x into 3x. 3 3s are 9. X into x is x square. So this is 9x square plus 1 by 3x. 1 by 3x the whole square means we multiply this twice. 1 by 3x. In the numerator 1 into 1 is 1. In the denominator 3 3s are 9. X into x is x square. So this becomes 1 by 9x square. Now here we can cancel a few things. We can cancel 3 and 3, x and x. So I can cancel 3x and 3x. Now what is left? I have to multiply. 2 ones are 2. So this is our final answer. 9x square plus 1 by 9x square plus 2. We will stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.